Brunswick Ballmaster Open, Helsinki, Finland. Let's get into it. Welcome back. Before we get started, go hit that subscribe button so you never miss a new video. Today, we are going to Helsinki, Finland to bowl in the Brunswick Ballmaster Open. Before we get started, I want to give a huge shout out to Brunswick USA and Brunswick, Finland for making this all possible. Marking off one of my bucket list tournaments and one of my bucket list centers, Tally Bowl and the Ballmaster Open. A tournament that has won before. You know, it's been a place that I've wanted to go for quite some time, and to have this opportunity, I'm super excited. A little bit about this tournament. Squads are 6 games each. It's basically post your score. Bowling on 44 feet, I believe. Pretty high volume, so they're going to be pretty tight. They take the top 38 to the finals, the modified finals. I think there's some buys in there as well. Got home from Team USA trials, unpacked, did laundry, repacked my suitcase, and 24 hours later, on our way to the airport to get there. And yeah, a lot of traveling in the last couple weeks. St. Louis, Malaysia, Vegas, Finland, and up next is the US Open after this. But before we get to the US Open, Ballmaster Open, Helsinki, Finland. Let's get into it. recap on the trip and recap on Finland. Me or Dad did not make the finals, unfortunately. He missed the finals by 3 pins. I missed by a little bit more than 3. We're not going to talk about how many I missed it by. But Dad's scores got better and better every squad. And unfortunately just didn't have enough the last squad that he bowled to get in. Bowled my first Desperado. That was kind of cool. Didn't throw enough strikes there to get to the finals, but you know what, that's okay. Big learning experience this week of that I need to throw it slower. Sometimes just throwing a stronger ball is not always the key, and actually slowing my speed down, using a little bit more of a different hand position, a little more forward roll, can actually make a bigger difference than just changing balls or changing surface for that matter. So we're going to get back and work on that a little bit more in the next coming weeks here. But that's going to be another tool that I'm going to have to add to my bag, and started to add it a little bit this week, but never got comfortable enough with it enough during the week to actually put together a good enough 6-game total to make the finals. Next on the schedule, first ever PBA event, the US Open. But for now, that's going to wrap this one up. Go hit that subscribe button, like the video, and we'll see you next time. Peace.